One of the
so
other
we've covered
crazy-
Dimelo House,
Yeah.
we've covered Bhangad, we've covered Khundera,
Kuldhara, sort of, we've covered.
Kuldhara and Balaji.
Balaji and Suhaib and whatnot.
Suhaib
So
and
we've,
yeah.
I'll tell you, okay, another story, a very crazy story, but from my life, right? That I guess to some degree explains my.
Before you start,
Go
sorry,
ahead. Please.
this is just a disclaimer to the audience. This is not a regular The Chillar episode.
This
'Cause
is not.
The Chillar. This is sending chills down my spine for sure. Like this would be
Good
that
turn
kind
of
of a
phrase.
Chillar episode. So I'm gonna play this in the hook. Please stick around till the end of the episode, because the kind of stories we've discussed, it's gonna send chills down your spine, and you will get a lot of information that you otherwise will not want to explore yourself. So stick around. It's gonna send chills down your spine. This is not the usual Bakar Baketi wala episode that we usually do with our guests. But please stick around, guys. It's gonna be super informative for sure. Now to your story.
To my story यार, तो मैंने बताया ही कि ट्रैवल का कीड़ा है.
हाँ.
तो काफ़ी अजीब चीज़ें करी है मैंने ज़िंदगी में. One of the weird things that I did, sort of that ties to the thriller, ties to I think my proclivity towards these things कि how do I have the appetite, is जब मैं अफ्रीका में था तो I was in Sierra Leone. It's the 4th poorest country in the world, shaped like it's the roundest country in the world also. Literal O जैसे है.
अच्छा.
वेस्ट अफ्रीका में. इबोला डिजीज़ तो याद होगा. तो दिस वाज द कंट्री, दिस लाइबेरिया एंड गिनी, दैट इबोला हैड कम्प्लीटली रमिज थ्रू एंड डिस्ट्रॉयड मैनी कम्युनिटीज़. ये हुआ था 2014 में तकरीबन. तो जब कोविड फैला 2021 में, मैं बायोलॉजी पढ़ रहा था, तो थीसिस मेरी थी कि 4th poorest country in the world, COVID hasn't done anything to them. भला क्यों? So my thesis was कि because of their Ebola preparedness, these people had systems in place and a recency bias where they could have they dealt with it really well. So this was my thesis. I got funding for my study. Survey करना था मुझे. मैं गया सिएरा लियोन. वहाँ मैं एक हॉस्पिटल में रहा, कैपिटल के बाहर. तो एक बहुत छोटे से शहर के हॉस्पिटल में मैं रह रहा था. अब यार, they are not used to many outsiders coming.
Correct.
और अगर कोई आउटसाइडर आता है तो बहुत रिस्पेक्ट दी जाती है. पहली बार मैंने वाइट प्रिविलेज महसूस करी, क्योंकि मुझे वैसा ट्रीट किया जा रहा था जैसे हमारे पेरेंट्स वाइट लोग को इंडिया में ट्रीट करते हैं. आई एम लाइक इंटरेस्टिंग, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. ये होता है, दिस इज हाउ इट फील्स. ओह, इट्स नाइस, इट्स फाइन, आई सी व्हाई यू आर नॉट लेटिंग गो ऑफ इट. दे यूज्ड टू कॉल मी, द किड्स यूज्ड टू कॉल मी Opoto. Opoto, if I was walking on the streets, Opoto means Portuguese.
Okay.
It's their word for non-black. So they were calling me Portuguese. उन्हें यही पता है. अच्छा, अब हॉस्पिटल के अंदर सब मुझे डॉक्टर आर्यन करके बुला रहे थे. मैंने बहुत क्लियरली बोल दिया था मैं डॉक्टर नहीं हूँ. बट टू देम,
What language was the communication in?
the doctors were trained in Ukraine or somewhere, तो English वो थोड़ा बोल पाते थे. बाकी all of them were speaking what's the Creole. It's specific to that place. There were 2 languages. Creole is one of the languages they speak. And Creole is different in different. Jamaica also has Creole, but Creole varies wherever you are.
So how were you communicating?
English.
Okay.
English. Whatever I could. But the doctors knew. So they were they understood English. And translator फिर होता था हमारा माबू करके बंदा था. माबू was a वॉर में, जब सिविल वॉर, ब्लड डायमंड देखी है डिकैप्रियो की?
नहीं
यार बहुत बड़ी सिविल वॉर हुई है सिएरा लियोन में कुछ डेकेड्स अगो. सो माबू, माई ट्रांसलेटर, यूज्ड टू बी वन ऑफ द फाइटर्स हु हैज किल्ड मेनी पीपल. बहुत स्टोरीज है माबू के पास. हाँ, बट नाउ दे आर अ पीसफुल सोसाइटी. सो एनीवे, everybody elevates me to the rank of Dr. Aryan. I walk through the corridors, get my coffee, Dr. Aryan. I'm not a doctor, guys. I literally know nothing about it. ठीक है. मैं ट्रू क्राइम पॉडकास्टर हूँ जो अभी यहाँ एक स्टडी के लिए आया है. बट वन ऑफ द डॉक्टर्स ends up calling me inside the operation theatre. He says, Dr. Aryan, do you want to come inside the OT? And I'm like, when will I get this opportunity? Because of course no other country in the world, like India में रैंडो थोड़ी ना OT में जा सकता है. So मैंने डाला बिब डॉक्टर्स वाला, हाथ धोए, ग्लव लगाए, It was inside the OT. I helped out in an amputation. पहले अपना amputation देखा, leg saw off करना. इनके OT में मक्खियाँ हैं by the way, mind you. तो I'm like, this is such a weird place to be in. Crazy experience of my life. And then the final patient that came in was a case that helped me understand why I'm attracted to, why I'm okay with gore and thriller. Bro, this guy comes in, passed out, with a swollen tummy. यार क्वाशी ओरकर करके डिजीज याद है हम
Yeah, of course,
है
of
ना
course,
हाँ
of
हम
course,
पढ़ते
of
थे
course, of
विटामिन
course.
के डेफिशिएंसी से
हाँ,
होता
हाँ,
था
हाँ, हाँ.
तो उसमें देखता था मैल नरिश बच्चों की इमेज बट फूला हुआ पेट
Correct.
ठीक है
Eyes also
Correct.
swollen
Correct.
and
Correct.
हाँ, of course.
तो मुझे लगा ये तो क्वाशी ओरकर है ऐसे
हाँ.
इतना मैल नरिश गाय
हाँ.
तोंद है
हाँ.
fully but it wasn't Kwashi Oka but I'm just painting the image of what it looked like for you, right? This guy comes in. This hospital had limited diagnostic tools, of course, man. Fourth poorest country in the world. During COVID, they had one ventilator for the entire population that China had given. One for a country of millions. So you're getting the sense of the
Of course,
poverty
of
here,
course,
right?
of course.
Diagnostics weren't able to figure out x-ray machine उससे नहीं पता चल पाया क्या है so their only way was to cut open and see inside what is there. We forget, man, how privileged and amazing lives we live where this procedure could have been an MRI could have figured out क्या था ऐसे but वहाँ ये सब MRI machine कहाँ electricity कहाँ है इसकी so the doctor tells me Aryan touch his stomach see what this is and I touch it and it's inflated, bro. It's like a sand filled balloon to get
Okay,
and get
okay.
what is this? So the doctors make an incision. Deepak, I kid you not, a yellow gas came out from his tummy, like we could see it, gas from his stomach that we could see. And it was the most foul smelling thing anybody in that room had ever smelled in their life. So bad that अपने ग्लव्स में हम इथेनॉल प्योर अल्कोहल डाल के स्निफ कर रहे थे क्योंकि हम टॉलरेट नहीं कर पा रहे थे. नर्सेज रूम से भाग गई, वो बैर ही नहीं कर पा रही हैं, उल्टी हो जाएगी. वी कंटिन्यू टू आई मीन आई वॉज जस्ट हैंडिंग टूल्स, मैं कुछ कर नहीं रहा था ऑब्वियसली. दे कंटिन्यू टू मेक द इंसिजन एंड येलो गैस, येलो फ्लूइड स्प्लर्टिंग आउट, कपड़ों पे आ रहा है हमारे. Horrid smell. Remember it so vividly. And when we finally are able to see in his organs, his intestine is completely rotten. It has it has died. There's a term for it. I don't recall it off the top of my head. And then the doctors figured out what happened. What happened was इस बंदे को पैर पे छोटी सी चोट लगी, कट हुआ था. इंस्टेड ऑफ कमिंग टू द हॉस्पिटल इसने ट्रेडिशनल मीन्स ऑफ मेडिसिन यूज़ किया जिसमें पत्ती और मिट्टी और इस सब से कर दिया. वूंड में सेप्सिस बैक्टीरिया घुस गया. इट केम ऑल द वे टू हिज गट एंड हिज सेप्टिक बेसिकली अटैक टू द गट एंड द गट हैड बिन ईटन अप बाय द बैक्टीरिया. दैट पेशेंट lay there open with no chance of survival. We knew he's going to die in front of us. And so the doctors put up hallelujah music. They're playing that. They're crying. Some of the doctors were crying. I was just a witness to this crazy scene, man. But that's a sort of story from my life, I think.